Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. There are a few essential basics to know when cooking, and one of them is unquestionably the classic 5 French mother sauces and their secondary ones. Now, under the Espanol sauce, there's one called demi-glace, and underneath this one, there are more derivative sauces, like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make sauce Robert. After the demi-glace is done, there's this finishing sauce made with shallots, mustard, and white wine. This is an incredible sauce to pair with grilled pork. If you already mastered demi-glace, this is kiddie plate to make. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll melt a couple tablespoons of butter. When it starts sizzling, we'll add shallots and saute them for 1.5 to 2 minutes or until softened. Then we'll pour in white wine and let it simmer until the liquid is almost gone, stirring often. It should take about 5 to 6 minutes. To this, we'll add demi-glace, and to make it from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen. It takes time to make it because Espanol sauce has to be made first, but you can take a shortcut by buying a good quality demi-glace either online or at any specialty store. We'll increase the heat to medium-high and bring the mixture to a simmer. And when it does, we'll start the timer for 15 minutes and reduce the heat to maintain a steady simmer between medium and medium-low. When time is up, we'll add some Dijon mustard and whisk constantly until well blended, which should take a good minute. Next, we'll crack some freshly ground black pepper. Stir once again, and of course, taste and adjust if necessary. That's it. We're done. And my friends, this is our sauce Robert. This is another fabulous French sauce to add to your repertoire. It pairs beautifully with grilled pork, chicken, or even lamb. After the demi-glace is done, it takes less than half an hour to enjoy this tasty condiment. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!